of us want our investments to grow fast, maybe even double at the earliest. We all have seen or have been called by someone offering excellent investment tips which promises to grow our investments at a fast pace with minimal or no risk. Too tempting to resist. Watch this video to understand how it happens. You will know the real secret in the end. Hello smart people. Welcome to Smart Money channel, which helps you with smart facts about managing money. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on bell icon below. Today, we're diving into a topic that's caught the attention of many, the promise of doubling your investment in just 1 month. Is it too good to be true? Well, stick around, because we're about to uncover the facts and debunk the myths. First point is to understand the high reward, high risk theory. We've all heard the saying, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. While there might be opportunities that seem to promise rapid growth, it's important to realize that these ventures often come with substantial risks. For example, horse racing or lotteries can give you very high returns on a small investment. But risk is enormous. Here risk is defined as the probability of losing your capital or getting a lesser than promised return. However, the probability of winning a horse race or a lottery is extremely low, so in the language of finance, it is a very high-risk investment. At the other end of spectrum, government bonds carry very little risk and therefore return on them is also low. Main point to understand is, there is no investment in this world which can give you higher return at a lower risk. And if there was such an investment, do you think your wealth advisor or banker would be trying to sell you the idea to earn some income? Instead, he or she would be busy doubling his or her income. Remember this fact very clearly, high return means higher risk. Second point is to identifying red flags and scams. When an investment seems too good to be true, it's crucial to be cautious. Scammers often prey on the allure of quick profits, and they might present elaborate schemes to deceive potential investors. Be wary of such smooth-talking advisors offering exotic products promising exceptional returns. Best strategy is to avoid anything which offers a very high return over government bonds or bank deposits. Third point is to understand the power of long-term, sustainable growth instead of chasing overnight riches. Consider the power of long-term, sustainable growth. Compounding returns over time can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Investing consistently over a longer period is the only way to get superior returns if you have picked the right investments. And there you have it. While the idea of doubling your investment in a month may sound enticing, remember that financial decisions should always be made with careful consideration and a clear understanding of the risks involved. In simple words, it doesn't exist. No investment can double in a month or even in a year, with guarantee. So, understand the risk before risking your money. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our informative content. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, may your financial choices be wise and your investments prosperous.